Listen, I'm feline more generous than usual today, so cool down and we'll call it quits, okay?